This is Pioneer's MVH-S522BS. This is an in-dash, 1-DIN AM/FM digital media receiver with built-in Bluetooth for both hands-free calling and wireless streaming audio. The MVH-S522BS is compatible with Pioneer's Smart Sync app. The Smart Sync app intelligently brings maps, messages, and music together in your vehicle. When using the Pioneer Smart Sync app, the MVH-S522BS features a 31-band EQ. The MVH-S522BS is designed to work with your Android phone and your iPhone. It's compatible with both Pandora and Spotify operating through your phone. It can play back MP3 and FLAC files from a USB flash drive, and works with SiriusXM satellite radio. Let's take a look and see what's in the box. Okay, let's pop this open. Okay, now the first thing we see here is the electrical wire harness, and we'll use the wire harness here to connect power and ground and speakers, all of the electrical connections from the in-dash receiver over to your vehicle. Next up, we have some 1-DIN radio removal tools and some install screws and brackets. There's a bag of tools there. Then we have the Bluetooth microphone. So the Bluetooth microphone here is used for making hands-free Bluetooth phone calls, and it comes on a wire about 10 feet long or so for very flexible installation. Let's pop the flap open here, and we can get the Quickstart guide. So there's the Quickstart guide, and please remember that you can download a complete copy of the owner's manual right to your cell phone in PDF form from pioneerelectronics.com. And then we have the warranty card. There's the warranty card. And let's pull the receiver up out of here. There it is. As you can see, the Pioneer MVH-S522BS is about half the depth of a conventional in-dash CD player. A shallow chassis like this can open a lot of interesting installation options. The front panel of the MVH-S522BS has the large rotary volume knob right here. Use this button to activate Pioneer's dynamic bass enhancer system. When using the Pioneer Smart Sync app, the navigation button here will activate your favorite compatible nav app on your phone for turn-by-turn instructions. Use this button to make and receive hands-free Bluetooth phone calls. Radio station presets are across the bottom. The auxiliary port is here. The USB port here can be used to charge your phone and play back MP3 or FLAC music files from a USB flash drive. The system features multicolor illumination. Please note, the MVH-S522BS does not play CDs. And of course, detachable face security. On the back panel of the MVH-S522BS, the AM/FM antenna from the vehicle will plug in right here. The optional SXV300 tuner from SiriusXM will plug in right here. The wire harness connected to the vehicle will plug in right here. The Pioneer MVH-S522BS has a built-in amplifier designed to operate with up to 4 speakers in your vehicle. The black jack on top here is to plug in the Bluetooth microphone included with the in-dash receiver. The one on the bottom is for operating your steering wheel controls through a third-party adapter. And here are 3 sets of 4-volt output RCAs for operating external amplifiers. They can be set up as front, rear, and subwoofer outputs, or for more control and better sound quality, high, mid, and low outputs. And that is Pioneer's MVH-S522BS. And what's in the box?